What is Java? A platform? A coffee? Actually, it's one of the most powerful and reliable program languages in the world. It runs mobile apps, banks, backend servers, and yes, it's also the reason why you can punch trees in Minecraft. Java is everywhere, but that also makes it feel complicated. So I'm going to make it simple by teaching it through Minecraft. Now let's break down three letters that you'll hear a lot: JVM, JDK, and JRE. They might sound intimidating, but don't worry. Just think of them like this. JVM is the engine, like redstone powering your contraption. It runs your Java code. JRE is the game file. It includes the stuff that your program needs to run. JDK is your toolbox, like a crafting table. You use it to build Java programs, whether that's a plugin or a diamond pickaxe. To write Java, you need somewhere to type your code. You could use a lightweight text editors like VS Code or Atom, but for Minecraft plugin development, I recommend an IDE, an integrated development environment, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Why? Because Java, especially in the plugin space, has been supported by IDEs for years. They come with powerful tools like autocomplete, error checking, build systems, and plugin support out of the box. That was your first real step into learning Java, what it is, the 3 Java keywords, and what tools you'll need to start building. In the next episode, we'll write our first Java programs together. And if you ever wired a redstone circuit, the logic might feel more familiar than you'd expect.